Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to resume our presentation sessions. Now, I think that few of the presentations have been given so far. The first one was given by Fatima. Second one was given by Mr. Zulkarnain, and it was Mr. Arslan who gave the third one. Someone was the third one who gave the presentation, and it was Mr. Arslan at number 4. The fifth presenter now, who shall be over here now to speak on the topic of his or her own choice. On any topic you love to speak on, please. It's you to speak on some topic as your speech or talk is over, and the maximum limit of the talk is 3 minutes. After that, there shall be question-answer sessions. MashaAllah. So Iqra Anam is over here just to speak on the topic. What's the topic? I don't know. She is going to disclose it now. Please listen to her talk very carefully, very attentively, and after that there shall be that interactive session, questions and answers. Yes, beta, please.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. How are you all? My name is Iqra Anam, and anything that will click in my mind, I will start presenting that, okay? I have spent 7 years of my life in my university, that is Sargodha University. And I think that were the most inspirational and the most motivational tenure of my life that I spent in my university. I think I have gained a lot from my university. Actually, I have done, first I was enrolled in BS Chemistry, then I did my MPhil from that university. So my whole education is from University of Sargodha, and I have spent more than 7 years there. So I want to recall that time with you people.
Very good.
The day when I went to that university, it was full of confusions. Although I was confident because my early education was from co-education, and but due to new place and I have to travel a lot on a daily basis. Previously, I didn't have traveled much. So on daily basis, I have to travel for 2 hours from Johorabad to Sargodha on a university bus. That was a Toyota Carry Dabba.
Very good.
And when I reached university, my condition was very bad. I was feeling nausea because I have never traveled too much. Then when I reached university, it was there was a crowd of different people, different students of different age groups, wearing different kind of dresses. They have had different languages. I was with my friend and my friend's father. We three of us moved to our department. We were unaware of our department. My department was a department of chemistry. I went to my department. That was as chemistry is very dry subject, so it's that department is also not very good. Its building is very old. Even it was not properly whitewashed. And the first impact of my department was very bad. And my parents said that it was the desire of my mother that I should go for BS Chemistry. And she said that you have to opt chemistry, otherwise sit at home. So, kuch na karti, kya karti. I went for BS Chemistry because I had to continue my education. Coming back to the point. When I visit my class, there was a huge Baba who came in our class. He introduced us. All the lecture was in English. There were different fellows in our class, different people belonging to different area. We have had only 6 male boys fellows, and there were 26 girls there. and the most and the thing that I want to say is that boys opt dry and tough subjects not very often. They don't like, I think they don't like these subjects, or I don't want to point them, but I would say that science subjects में ना boys पीछे रह गए, मतलब girls are now there at the front.
True.
This was my first day. Then there was no one in class. We go for cafeteria. First of all, we visited, or we can say we roamed. We friends, all of our friends roamed the whole university. Then our carry dabba, which used to carry us to our homes, arrived, and then we came to home. The very first day I reached at home, the carry dabba started initially at 2 o'clock and I reached home at 4 o'clock. After that I slept, and then I woke up on the next day. Matlab, I was so much tired. Matlab, that was the very hectic day because I wasn't used to of that routine. Now coming to the university life, that was the very good, splendid life there. I have learnt a lot of things from there. Matlab, the thing that I am speaking in front of you, I can speak to anyone. I don't feel ashamed. I feel confident while talking to anyone.
MashaAllah.
So this thing was developed in me from my university. University has given me a lot of things. BS passed, but I got failed in one of my subjects. Passed. Matlab, I passed BS, but I got failed in my one of subjects because I had a cruel talk with my sir, or sir's girlfriend, you can say. Yes, these things happen in university. So because of favoritism, I was failed in organic chemistry. It was very tough for me. Again, when I got reappeared, again that subject went to that teacher with whom I had cruel talk, with whom's girlfriend I had a cruel talk. I failed again. Then the third time, subject was repeated, and that subject was given to another teacher. His name was Dr. Jamshed Akbar, and I got distinction in that subject.
Great. MashaAllah.
I mean to say distinction means that I got highest marks in my department in that subject. No one had got that subject for that marks in that subject.
Great.
To quote this example, I want to convey a message that sometimes in your life, everything seems that everyone is opposing you, everyone is trying to oppress you. Even my teacher, my professor got turned against me. So the message is that when the things are not working out and you are helpless, only the one thing you had with you is Allah. So, matlab, don't get misprinted from God. Matlab, He is the only one who is with you every time, and He has eyes. That eyes are bigger than anyone's eyes.
MashaAllah.
So, matlab, my belief on God at that time of university was splendid. Matlab na pakka yakeen ho gaya, pukhta yakeen. I don't know much of English. That's why I'm standing here. After that, my father met an accident. He went in coma. He went in coma, but at that time when I passed my subject, my father went in coma. I didn't have much more money to start my MPhil. And my father's desire was that I should get enrolled in MPhil as soon as I complete my BS. As I get enrolled in MPhil, I didn't have much money to pay the fee of that university, and beside that, my father got in coma, and our business went in crisis. So that was also a very tough time. But I was offered a job as a CTI from Noorpur Thal Degree College. I did my lecturership in that college, and that period of time was very much hectic for me, as I used to get up early at 6 o'clock so that I could reach in time in college, and I reached there in college at till 8 or 7:30. That was the time. I used to deliver my lectures at college, so that till 10:30 I have to complete all my lectures, so that I would go to Sargodha to attend my MPhil classes. Then from at that college I hired I daily used to hire a new carry dabba nahi, matlab the local transport. I used to travel on local transport. I went to Sargodha on daily basis, and that was I used to travel in a day for 5 to 6 hours. And while traveling I used to think that might these difficulties will go, or either these difficulties will stay with me forever. But after 6 months, after 2.5 months, my father got recovered, Alhamdulillah, and our business was established again. First it got in crisis, but it regained its status, and I continued my job for 9 months. After that, when I saw that, and one thing I want to quote here is this: beside traveling, beside giving lectures in colleges, there was a lot I had to travel. I got distinction in MPhil again in first semester.
MashaAllah.
And I was surprised how this can happen, na? But my belief got strong, and I saw that Allah is there with you. He never leaves you. And He is with the person who works hard and harder.
Great.
He loves his bande, whatever. So I have very strong belief on my God. These things, some of the incidents that happened in my life created strong belief in Allah. After that I left job in my second semester, but I got jobs in 2 different colleges to pay my fee, and everything got settled down, and Alhamdulillah, now I am independent. And when I look back at my journey, I thanks to Allah that those difficulties were not there, were there only to make me strong, to make my belief strong, so that I would become a strong girl. So thanks to Allah, Alhamdulillah.
What a message. Really impressive. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I think.
Really, very impressive. No, again, her life story is full of messages, full of meanings. No, it can, change the lives of us. No, see the way she was talking about her hurdles, and she remained, firm. She didn't let her, you can say, belief be swayed. No, and each difficulty, that kept boosting her confidence. Which finally resulted in that distinction. Really very impressive. We do pray for her. May she succeed in her entire future endeavors. Very impressive talk. Very
now
impressive.
I am striving hard to get enrolled in PhD, but
Allah Almighty will be over there.
Inshallah.
We shall pray to God, and we shall contribute, if we can, that in all senses, inshallah.
But I wanted to be to complete PhD in very young age. The days are passing. 2 years of my life have been wasted.
Things shall get set,
Inshallah.
See, the mics are there with you right now. So what is to be done? First, it's you to comment on her presentation. You can comment on her, the way she spoke, the first thing. You can comment on, you can say, the university condition she was talking about. You can talk about, the condition of the college. You can talk about, the difficulties she faced. You can talk about the message which you received, got from her talk, and so on. The choice is yours. In short, say something about her speech. and what you learned from that. This is the first round. As that round is over, then you will be requested now to ask the question regarding now the different now the features of our talk now. I have number of questions. I'll initiate with the first question now. But before that, please say something about our performance. Please.
First of all, she was spoke well,
Okay.
and she was talking about her difficulties. And
Okay.
as she discussed that after every difficulty there is a fruitful result,
Okay.
and she faced, but she has now a favorable result.
So this is the Quranic philosophy. The Quran says, "Inna ma'al usri yusra." So whenever there is some usr, difficulty is there, soon after that there is a yusr, there is a ease. This is now the like, and this is now the way the world is made like now. What happened? The hurdles are there, the hurdles are over there, hurdles are over there, not in. And these hurdles are there just to build your character, your personality, your confidence, your caliber, etc. Your exams, you're sitting over here and your dream is now to learn how to speak English. And sometimes Rafi forces you to do the thing you don't want to do. As that my BTA, she was not willing initially. Nobody was willing to come over here except those who have already done. So it was very difficult for us initially, but the moment she left that place, she arrived over here. First, that few seconds she was nervous. It was difficult for her to start her communication. But after a few seconds, she started speaking with confidence now. So there is difficulty always, but that difficulty results in ease now. Good. Gentlemen.
Hard times and difficult circumstances is part of mostly successful people.
True. Excellent.
But a person who stand in these circumstances
True.
always achieve their goals.
True.
But for a specifically female,
True.
it is a
Very
most difficult.
true. Do agree.
And she is appreciable
MashaAllah.
that she faced these circumstances bravely.
Okay. True.
And work smart and hard.
True.
It's a very difficult that travel to Nurpur and from Nurpur to Sargodha.
I think that is 68 kilometers from here.
And sir, we used to opt that pani wala rasta,
True.
and matlab, that was very difficult.
True.
And the Nurpur Thal area, whenever I used to sit in a local gadi, everyone used to ask me, matlab, kali hai?
True.
matlab,
That
koi
was-
nahi hai saath.
That
To,
was
matlab,
also very difficult.
this
True.
was very difficult.
True.
So traveling in a private or local buses is a very
True.
difficult
Again, for the
task.
young girl.
Difficult.
Respect a lot. They came to know that there is one girl who, and they used to say me that Hamari Professor Saiba.
True.
When I used to deliver lectures in college as a CTI, they respected me a lot. I felt no ashamed in traveling, or I can say that I bear no kind of difficulty in traveling. Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. Really, her story, if we take it, that in a positive way, so we can learn a lot from. See, after having the number of difficulties, she has completed her MPhil with distinction. Again, this is a great achievement. If a person that is able to do all these things in such difficult circumstances, what can happen? You can do better, because most of you are that well-to-do and you have no difficulties. Thanks God, that all the relationships you are in or with, they're okay. So none is there who is there in coma. None is there that who is creating problem for you. None is there even the teacher that whose girlfriend that you are that at dispute with. So no difficulty. She suffered all kinds of difficulties which could be imagined. But in spite of that, she was able to be successful. Great. Ji.
This is very impressive that how she worked hardly and
Very
she
good.
traveled there and completed his study.
True.
And now she is at this point.
MashaAllah. Gentleman.
She talked very impressively and
True.
confidently, and
MashaAllah.
I think that the great wealth which was given to her is the belief in Allah,
MashaAllah.
and I advise her to thanks to her hardens
True.
which made
Very
made her able to believe
True.
in Allah.
True. These are the hurdles basically, which that made her believe or strengthen her belief, and this was a belief which finally resulted in success. So credit goes to those hurdles, which that time she was not feeling well, but the later on as the result was there of those hurdles, she should be thankful. Very good. Please.
She gave a very impressive and motivational lecture.
This is point. Very good. Not only impressive, but it was motivational, And really, if we consider her talk, in a real sense, it's enough, We won't be seen at any platform, complaining God. It's clear. Again, we have each and everything which a normal human needs. We have each and every relationship. Especially you, the people. You, the boys. There's not a single difficulty is there for you which she faced. Being a female in this society, the man-dominated society, she that kept facing all those circumstances. She remained steadfast. What? Steadfast. She didn't let that her belief be swayed. And she's successful. Good. Please wait.
She was not hand down before the difficulties, and she achieved her target. I think it's very good speech.
True. Speech is good. Arslan beta.
I reached in the conclusion that she is very courageous and brave girl.
True.
I was astonished to listen to that, how a teacher has such kind of relation
True.
with her
True.
student.
True.
As I know that every student for his teacher,
Okay.
a spiritual son or spiritual daughter.
True.
And
Absolutely
the third
right.
thing is that education will give you awareness how to fight with your
True.
social circumstances.
True. Absolutely right. Good. Gentleman.
She is a very brave girl.
True.
She spoke very well and
Okay.
her words were very funny
True.
in his speech.
True.
And I say that ups and downs is the beauty of life.
Life. Very good bit. Very good. Life. Very good bit. Very good. Ji beta.
First of all, she greeted everyone. This is the best thing.
Very good.
And she spoke very confidently.
Mashallah.
And the speech was very impressive and motivational.
True.
Her life is not only for give us her messages, but
True.
also give us messages. And she tells us about the experiences of university. The first day of university, she visited there with her friend and friend's father. The impression of building and building was not good, and she failed in a subject 2 times just because of cruel talk. And the second thing is that she worked in many tough times.
Very
and
good.
she achieved her aim.
Okay.
This is the good.
True. Please. Ji, Kiran Puttar.
The best thing, she loves her education. If she wants, she will stop her education, but she not stop her education. She
Okay.
continue her education
True.
at every moment, and she doesn't lose her hope.
Okay.
And it's a message which she given to us that we should not lose our hope. I will say that as hurdles in life do not come to stop our path, but
True.
to increase our potential to achieve our goals. And everyone's life is same like full of hurdles, but still everyone is traveling. This
True.
is power of belief. Believe that someone is there for you to help, to encourage you the right track.
Very good.
And this is the power that don't let us down and increase our energy to achieve our goals.
Mrs. Urkana, you notice, the way she spoke, just like in a paragraphic style. Ji, whose turn now, please?
She shares us with us memories of university. I have same memories like traveling and
True.
difficulties.
True.
Favoritism is also there.
True.
Male dominance is also there. Our society is still male dominance, and her difficulties. I can say that she is very brave. I knew about her history, education difficulties during education, and she is very confident. I learned a lot from her. When I came to Silla, I was not much confident. She gave me confidence, and I appreciate her.
Masha. So, those people who spent some time over there in the University of Sargodha, please raise your hands. You spent 7 years. 7 years, no, Mr. Faisal spent 7 years in the University of Sargodha. Ji, where did you study? You Spirit College, no? Ji, you spent 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, no? Shameen, 4 years, no. Sargodha, to University of Lahore, Sargodha campus. Okay. No. Sargodha, okay. No, please. No, you're still young. So again, those people who've spent some time over there in the University of Sargodha, do you agree that these circumstances are over there?
मैं यूनिवर्सिटी से अंदर कमरे में था ना, कमरे से बाहर निकल रहा हूँ, पीछे से मैम ने बुलाया, ओए आप क्या चीज़ हो? मैंने कहा क्या हुआ मैम? कहती आपकी इतनी बड़ी सिफारिशें आती हैं, मुझे नंबर लगाने पड़ते हैं। यकीन माने, मतलब मेरा पेपर मिड में फेल होता था, और जो फाइनल जब रिजल्ट आता था लड़के हैरान हो जाते थे कि आप करते क्या हो। लेकिन एक बात करना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने वो डिग्री 6ठे सेमेस्टर में जाके इसीलिए छोड़ दी है कि मैंने वहाँ पे सिफारिशें करवाई। नहीं, बात सुनो, मेरा इंटर भी वहीं से है ना, मेरा इंटर भी वहीं से है। अच्छा कोई बात नहीं।
There is a lot of favoritism given to male students. If the teacher, no, I want to highlight one point, please. If the professor is female, he always
favors the male students.
Yeah, and they get 70 plus.
And if the professor is male, he gives
by failing their midterms even.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just joking.
Please, your comments. Well done.
She shared her experience about life and her 7 years stay in Sargodha University, and she told us that she learned a lot of things.
Okay.
And the most important of them is that there are ups and downs in our life, but whatever happens, we must trust and believe in God and ourselves. With belief, we can achieve anything.
Okay.
And the most important thing is that we must not be afraid of failure.
True.
Failure is simply an opportunity to begin again, and this time more intelligently.
True, very good. See, would you like to comment on someone's remarks which you made? Any special remarks which that that batchmates made over here, which impressed you the most regarding your presentation?
Can I ask a question?
Why not?
What's your name?
Wajahat Ali.
You are in class 10? I was talking in my house that there is a boy in my academy at Silla, and he is now now you are promoted to 10th class, and whenever he talks, I got my all ears to him.
Very good.
He talks so positively.
True. Logically. Okay.
And there is always a very beautiful end at the end of his talk.
Very good.
And I am very much impressed by him, and I do pray for him.
Very good.
That inshallah, जब इनका टाइम आएगा, he will inshallah get a very good position where he wants to get. And for Kamran too.
Okay.
I like his way of expressing.
True. Very
and
good.
his positivity reflects from his face.
Very good.
Whatever he says, I think that's I can feel that positive vibe from him.
True.
Similarly, from Ikra, Shameen, and Fatima.
Okay.
These three are very positive ladies, and they have liberal and very good mind.
Mashallah.
And Mr. Zulkarnain, he is the ustad of my chacha, and I do respect you a lot. And I have a spiritual feeling for you because my brother's name is Zulkarnain. And मतलब मुझे लगता है मेरा भाई बैठा हुआ है.
Mashallah.
And मेरे चचा के उस्ताद हैं, मुझे लगता है भी मेरे भी उस्ताद हैं.
True. And he's a very competent man. See the question from. Let's know, we have the question answer session now. Please, minimum one question each. Minimum one question. Please take the mic. Arslan, it's you to begin with.
You completed your MPhil?
In 2018.
Why did you choose second time University of Sargodha?
Okay.
Because it was near to my house, and as I have to be independent, so it was very easy to travel there.
True.
Your marks, MSc?
Sorry, I didn't did MSc. I did BS. Marks, there are no marks, but there is a GPA.
Okay.
So I scored 2.98.
Very good. Your question, please.
She said that his mother forced her to study in BS chemistry or MS chemistry.
Okay.
What was your opinion?
I want to be to do judiciary,
Okay.
I want to be a judge. I had no link with chemistry. I didn't even like it now.
Okay.
My mother forced me. She said that हमारे ख़ानदान की लड़कियाँ इस तरह बाहर उधर नहीं जाती. So I was compelled to do that.
Allah Akbar.
If I am given a chance now to do LLB, I will rush towards it.
We missed a great judge, really. How unlucky the nation is now when the decisions are made by those who should not. Who should not. No, the mothers, no, we should respect the mothers, fathers, no, everybody.
As she sacrificed for me a lot, so I respected her decision.
True.
I said, okay.
Positively,
Okay.
choice.
True.
That was their
So that is the case. When you are studying according to your own taste and choice, so you will not put more efforts.
There is no rest of marks in the.
True. It becomes
This
easy
is
for the boys.
case, but in some cases, in FSC, boys do not. In some cases, boys do not get good marks in FSC, so they don't get admission in university in science subjects.
There's another reason.
yeah.
Another reason. Gentleman, question please.
Please tell us about your experience about co-education.
Co-education experience.
Whether it is suitable for our society. Or
Very good. Now, co-education, does it suit our society? Ji.
I used to study in Fauji Foundation, Johorabad, and the atmosphere there was very good. And I should suggest that we should motivate and allow our children to move in co-education.
Okay.
At very early stage, there is no concept in the mind of girls when they are sent to university by their parents. They already know how to move with boys, and there is no hawa for them. They hai university mein ladke.
True.
तो मतलब they know their directions.
They have exposure.
From very early stage.
Very good. They learn exposure
They
at very
never
early
get detrack.
True.
So
There are lesser chances of getting that detracted though you're
Yes.
talking about because of having the exposure at lower classes, at lower level. Good. Ji.
What do you think about the education system of University of Sargodha?
Very
Because,
good.
Whether it is tough because some people, mostly from physics department, thinks that it's like a pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker, okay.
you are very right. You are very right. And Department of Physics is very next to my department, and their teachers are only Siparish based teachers allocated there.
True.
They don't have any because we see there Akram Chaudhary.
Okay.
At that time he appointed his chacha ka beta who did MSc or either MPhil in physics.
Okay.
And his phuphi ka fulana.
Okay.
So matlab there is a lot of favoritism in physics department.
Okay.
They even students there commit suicides just because they do not get good grades there.
True.
So there is a humble request for all of you, never allow your students get admitted in physics department of Sargodha University.
Great.
But the present VC didn't move all that professors from university. They are still there.
Still over there. This is
Even
the point.
sir, I am saying this. My friend, my very own friend, committed suicide and she jumped from the roof.
Because of the faculty. Okay, please, question. No, you have question.
आज की तारीफ करूंगा जो भी फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट से पढ़ के आए यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सरगोधा से वो यही कहते हैं कभी उधर ना जाना
है ना, ऐसी बातें करते हैं ना। और उनकी डिग्री एमएससी की 3 साल में और बीएस की 6 साल में कंप्लीट होती है।
True, very good. Ji, question please. Please.
What was the reason behind the fight between you and your teacher's girlfriend?
Actually, there was a fight. This is a very important point. Know that what made you fight? The girlfriend of the teacher.
There was no such reason.
Acha.
I was sitting at that corner,
Okay.
like Ikra is sitting,
Okay.
and the girlfriend was sitting here, and the professor is this.
Okay.
Suppose. You just have to suppose that Ikra is me, this is that girl, sorry, and this is that professor.
अच्छा.
And
नहीं वो ਜਿਹੜੀ गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं सुनी है सरदीप बहुत धन्यवाद मैं बढ़ने बस तैयार हूँ उस पर ओके लीव इट प्लीज
तो गर्लफ्रेंड है ना, देखिए इसको, वो मैंने बंदा से ही चुने।
प्लीज गो अहेड
सॉरी। अच्छा, वो हुआ ये कि व्हेनेवर सर यूज्ड टू डिलीवर अ लेक्चर, ठीक है, तो मतलब पीछे वालों को बैक बेंचर्स को ना आसानी से समझ नहीं आती। अगर यहाँ पर कोई बैक बेंचर है वो ज़रूर कहते हैं रिपीट प्लीज़। तो मैं बैक बेंचर थी तो मैं कह देती थी रिपीट प्लीज, यहाँ से बाजी को आग लग जाती थी, नो नो देयर इज नो नीड टू रिपीट, प्लीज कंटिन्यू दिस कंटिन्यू, और ये मासूम जो थे ना ये कंटिन्यू ही कर देते थे, मतलब व्हाट इज दिस। और एक दिन क्लास में हो गई कैट फाइट।
मतलब ये आप चाहती थी कि आपकी बात मानी जाए, लेकिन अच्छा ओके लीव इट Okay, leave it. Please go ahead. जी. Over.
Yes.
Okay, please. Question.
Why did your mother force you to join only chemistry department?
अम्मा chemistry विच कड़ी शाय देखी है ये question तो है ना जी.
I think that she is very good at cooking.
Okay.
I think she believes that there is also a very good chemistry involved in cooking. As I am very poor at cooking, I don't know how to cook. तो this was the reason she मतलब thought that के भी वो chemistry होगी तो
असल ना कोई अपना जवाई ढूंढे उसी ना कोई जड़ा cooking पसंद करते उसी सारा जी. Do you want to please question?
I want to know your experience of job in Nurpur Thal, especially about students of Nurpur Thal.
You are from Nurpur. The lady, she spent a lot of time over there in the area she is from. Please, how has been your experience over there in the college at Nurpur Thal? Okay.
Especially about the students.
Especially very good. No behavior of the students. No, जी बेटा.
सर नूरपुर थल के पास एक जगह है, उसको कहते हैं कि यहाँ के लोग जो है ना जिन्नाती सिफात के हैं, उस एरिया के लोग जो होते हैं ना, नेम नहीं आ रहा मुझे उस एरिया का.
So you know you the people from Nurpur.
नूरपुर के जो आसपास के एरियाज हैं जाते हुए. क्या कहते हैं?
यहाँ के लोग जो हैं वो जिन्नाती सिफात के हैं.
वो किस जहाँ के जस्टिस बहुत ज़्यादा है. पीलोवेंस.
अच्छा जी.
पीलोवेंस. मेरी जो स्टूडेंट्स थी ना तकरीबन 50 की क्लास होती थी फर्स्ट ईयर की, तो मतलब मैंने ना प्राइवेट सेक्टर में भी पढ़ाया और गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में भी पढ़ाया. जब मैंने पढ़ाया नूरपुर थल एक गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में और वहाँ पे लेबर्स डिपार्टमेंट
इंग्लिश
हाँ, दे ऑल बिलोंग टू वेरी पुअर फैमिलीज. आई वॉज अमेज्ड दैट द गर्ल्स देयर हैड अ वेरी गुड मेमोरी. Whatever they used to learn once, they said that they don't need to repeat it.
Very good.
Same thing I had observed in Shami.
Oh, really?
हर कैली पर मतलब whenever the girl is washing either clothes, either washing dishes, or either cooking in their whether they are cooking in kitchen, they used to say that मैडम किताब हमारे पास पड़ी होती है. मतलब कितनी अच्छी बात है. हम लोग घर में कोई काम नहीं करते और हम लोग स्पेसिफिकली होते हैं सिर्फ किताबें रख के, हमारी माँ ने हमें छोड़ा होता है कि आप पढ़े. तो वो उस लिमिटेड सर्कमस्टांसेस में, लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज में वो बच्चियाँ आगे पढ़ रही हैं, मतलब ज़बरदस्त है.
ग्रेट जी. क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
You told us that there are different people of different areas and different language. Can you explain that how they are different from us and different areas?
True.
Most of the people that gets selected in university, they are from Pind villages. So they have less confidence. They do not speak in class. Either they are very much, we can say that, intelligent. Thank you. वो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं, लेकिन ना मतलब ओढ़ना भी छोड़ना, एंड यू कैन सी एंड मतलब उनको देख के आप कह सकते हैं भाई पिंड में. I'm just giving a layman example.
Question please. The last question please. Last question please.
How did you spend that 2 years, or what were your feelings when you failed in BS because of your teacher?
I was shattered a lot.
Good.
When I got failed.
Okay.
And there were a lot of relatives of mine who used to say, after passing every 6 months, they used to come to my home and greeted my mother. And once they bought mithai too, that your daughter has succeeded. And they knew that their daughters used to ask from me that your paper got cleared, and I said no. मतलब कुछ लोग ऐसे थे कि वो मिठाई भी लेके आ जाते थे, एंड वो फिर पेरेंट्स जो है ना, नहीं पेरेंट्स फिर उनके पास कुछ करने को नहीं होता ना, तो औलाद को फिर वो थोड़ी सी देते हैं टेंशन. तो मुझे याद है कि वो उस 1 साल में कोई एक रात ऐसी नहीं थी जो
इंग्लिश सॉरी
मतलब आप चाहती हैं मैं एक्सप्रेस ना करूं,
सॉरी
तो जो रोते हुए ना गुजरी हो. मतलब I used to wept a lot, and I asked that Allah Ta'ala, if I had done something wrong, that these circumstances I have been facing, so please forgive me.
Okay, really very impressive session, no? We consumed 48 minutes and 41 seconds. Really very impressive. All of you know the way you contributed to the session, the way you spoke, the way you commented on performance, the way you coined the question, no? Your performance is very encouraging, no? So as the time is passing, I expect, no, that you will be home at, no, that speaking, inshallah. So tomorrow again we will be having, no, the presentation session, no? So I can call anybody. All of you should come with proper preparation, no? The topic of your own choice, you can select any topic, no, prepare it, no, but keep in mind that your talk should not exceed 3 minutes. I want to involve you, the people. Most involvement should be there, no, in the question answer session, no, because that is a platform, that is a feature, no, which enables you, no, that develop your communication, no. Points clear? So prepare it, no, for maximum 3 minutes, no, and then go for question answer session, no. The assignment is clear. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
And thank you for listening to me, my stupidities.